Good day. Today we're going to change a LCD on Huawei P30 Lite. First we're going to remove the SIM card holder. We're going to heat up all around. Looks like the LCD is, this is a new LCD going under that. I forgot, I don't know if I've done it before, so I'm going to heat up here. And we remove the LCD, also going to heat up. It's already broken, very bad condition, so I'm going to remove it also. I'm going to heat it up with the hot air on 280. My LCD was broken already, so I just heated up and I'm removing it. And as you can see, it goes under the battery, I think, from the back, so we have to open at the back also. Yes, it goes under the battery. So now I'm going to heat up. I wanted to avoid it because the back cover is in very bad condition, but now I don't have any other choice besides removing it. So I'll heat it gently, I'll remove it so I can put it back, because customer doesn't want to change the back cover. So it's heated enough now, because it's in a very bad condition, so I don't want to put anything very hard because it's gonna break. So I'm just gonna slide in something thin so it can loosen up. You have to be a bit patient, just heat up again if your cover is in like this condition. See, what I did was that I took another plastic and I inserted it like this, because this thing was broken and I don't want to, customer doesn't want to put so go all around it, keep heating up so it can come off easily. See, I made a gap with this tool a little bit here, and then I inserted it, this plastic thingy. Cut something thinner. I used a pouch or back cover holding or cover to cut this from the center. So when you come near to your fingerprint sensor, just be careful that you don't cut the flexi. I don't know where is the flexi, how far it is, so just go through the sides only, don't insert it full, and carry on with the job. It's almost open now. As I was explaining you, if you see it, you see, so you don't insert something very far, you just go from the corner. There is your fingerprint sensor. Now I'm going to deattach the battery and fingerprint sensor by opening this plate. There is a screwdriver there, there is a screw there. So once you remove that screw, this plate should come out easily. Sometimes it's holding on to the board with sticky tape and it doesn't want to come out easily. Is there something holding it? Okay, there is another screw. This plate needs to come out again also. I think so. It's under this. Yes, it looks like it's under this. So we need to remove these old screws to take off this or loosen up a bit from here. I wanted to do a quick job because customer is waiting for the phone. So you can just pull it up a bit. If you're doing a quick job, then you have to work it out this way. And this plate comes out. Now you can remove the battery first of all. I cut my nails, so it's a bit difficult for me to work now with these kind of jacks and connector. Once the battery is out, pull out this. You can either remove it from the jack or you can take out the strip also, but because we need to remove the battery to change the LCD, so we would rather take it out complete. Now if you see at the battery, there it is written 1, you can just pull it. There is written 2. You can just pull this thing also, and with the 3 you're going to pull it this side. If you can see it, just pull it this side. Don't push too much force because it's going to bend the battery. But if it is bent, you don't need to worry. You can just, when you're putting it back, you can just press it and it will go back into its old position. I will not remove it all. I'll just, either if you need to change something from there, then you can obviously remove this, but otherwise you can just pull up a little bit here, so you can take out the LCD strip. That would be enough for you to pull it till here. It takes a little bit of force here, so till here it will be enough. Now see, there is another screw here, so we need to open this. It's good to remove all the plate and put the screws in a sequence, like, you know, because there are small big screws mixed up, so you can, when you're putting it back, you can put them back nicely and easily. By now I've learned that it's better to remove all the screws. Just put them in the sequence. There are 2 small screws, one goes here, the other one goes here. Other than that, they're all same sizes. It's better that if we remove this plate, you know, or remove all the screws, because this is holding this keypad flexi also, this piece. Don't force too much, it can break. It's plastic only. And you know, it will be much better that we remove this whole plate. It makes the life easier. So this goes out. I think I've changed the LCD. I don't know if I put the video before. So now you can remove the LCD. So it's better that you remove that plate. Now the old LCD goes out. Now we're going to clean all around it. So once we put the glue, it should close properly. I always say one thing, that before you close, you must just close or put the glue, because then you can't get it replaced once you have used it. You must just check the LCD that it's working properly all around. So we see it, it's working. Now we're going to close it. I am going to close it from the back first, because my back cover is in really bad condition, so I don't want to mess up with the glue and all those kind of things. So first this thing goes in there, then your plate goes on top of it. There are clips, small clips, it can click in there easily. Now we can put all the screws, and then we're going to put the back cover and the battery, and then going to close it. Sorry about that confusion. First the plate is going to go, and then this is going to go on top. And now you can put all the screws. So once we put the screws, we leave these 2 screws because we need to put that plate back. Put the battery, and now we can put our fingerprint sensor. Let me just connect it properly. So once you have connected that, you can slide it under it. Just pick up a little bit with the tweezer. And this clip must go in here. Now we can put the final 2 screws.
Joshua, how far are you?
Almost done.
You are just gonna check the fingerprint, eh?
Fingerprint should be working.
Okay.
Because that's why I disconnected the battery. So you can see now all the screws are back, battery is back. Now we're going to put glue so we can close this, and at the front also. So, and then I can put rubbers. My repairs are for those people who doesn't have proper tools, you know. So you can learn that without tools how you can fix them.
Okay.
So once everything is back properly, we're going to put the glue at the back cover. I'm going to go all around. So once the glue is all around, we can just put it back. Now I'm going to put the glue in front. My reason was different then, because this back cover was very bad. So I have to put first back cover, then I can put the rubbers and stuff around it so it can hold it properly. You can see it's closing. I'm gonna start here on the front. I'm starting in front. Put the glue. So I'll go all around it. Just remember that there is this sensor. You're not going to cover it with the glue, otherwise it's going to give you problem. Now you can just put it, adjust it, little bit of pressing, and adjust it properly. Now I'm going to put the rubbers around it so it can hold it proper. So this is how you change the LCD on P30 Lite Huawei. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel. And share the video. I need subscriptions. Please help me out in that. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye next time. Until next time, goodbye.